are we doing? I'm back again in my car, driving around. Oops, just making sure that nobody's behind me. And this live, it's a very special thing I want to let you know. If you know it already, type in a comment that Gifty, I'm aware of this tax incentive if you rent an apartment right here in the US. That's all I know. I don't know your country, but if you rent an apartment and you pay your rent in the US, are you filing taxes? Remember, we have 2 more weeks to go. I'm joining a major road. We have 2 more weeks to go to file our taxes. I think it's April 15th. So don't forget to file your taxes. And if you do, and you're a renter, you pay rent, you have up to $4,000 to claim. $4,000 to claim. And I believe that 4,000 will do you a whole lot of good. So please let the person who file your taxes know that, hey, I rent an apartment. You have to show proof, okay? You can't just do that. I rent an apartment. Here it is. The IRS, they don't play. I mean, the Internal Revenue Service is like the government, okay? You don't play with it. You don't want to do things that are untrue. Whatever you do or say is truthful. And therefore, some people know already. There are accountants who will not reveal or tell people that you qualify. This is available to you. That is available to you. It's not like they're being intentional about it, but sometimes you should know what you are getting. You should know what your benefits are. And one of them is, if you are a renter, you rent an apartment, you rent a place. I don't know on the business side, but if you are just an individual or family, you rent an apartment and you are filing your taxes, you can ask the person preparing your taxes, hey, I rent an apartment. Do I have any deductions or anything that will help me out? And they'll tell you. Disclaimer again, I'm not an accountant, okay? I'm not a CPA. I'm not certified accountant, and I'm not telling you. This is just for educational purposes. You can ask about renting, and homeowners too do have their own incentives. If you're a homeowner, you can also ask the tax person, hey, I am a homeowner. Do I earn anything? Do I get anything? But I truly believe, I rent an apartment and I know it's up to $4,000 and you can't go wrong with it. So imagine you getting $4,000 deductible from your taxes in the United States. So please don't hide it. Don't be afraid to ask, okay? If you have a business, there are other deductibles or other incentives. But I truly believe that if you ask the person who does your taxes for you and you tell them, hey, I heard this thing, I want to find out more information about it, you can get a little bit of relief. I know the economy is not as good as we wish it could be, because the economy is a little tough. Any small thing that will help you, even if it's $200 that you can take to do your groceries, isn't that good? And I am one of the people that will bring it to you, like, my dears, my lovelies, go file your taxes. April is just around the corner. April 15th is a deadline. And when you go and you rent an apartment, just let them know that, hey, I am a renter. I have an apartment. I rent something. Do I have any incentives or they call it tax breaks? You get a break and it's up to $4,000. So you can do your own research. If you don't want to do the research, just ask the person who is doing it, because most of the accountants, they do know the code. That is a tax code. They know what goes where and what doesn't go anywhere. But it doesn't hurt to ask, okay, my dear friends. So if you're coming through, thank you again. It's Gifty. I'm bringing you things that I believe will help all of us. It will help you. A little break, that's all we need. Because when I hear gas prices are high, groceries are high, everything is high. And when everything is high, there's also a little wiggle room for relief. I mean, the way we are born and created, whenever you go through pain and pain and pain, sometimes you get a little relief from the pain. So this might give you a little relief, and I'm bringing it to your attention that if you go to do your taxes, please ask the person doing it. They have more knowledge and information about whether, as a person who rents an apartment, whether you can get a tax break or an incentive to help you out. And if it's a yes, I know the maximum is $4,000. It's 4,000. It's a deductible. It's a deductible. So such deductibles are very, very, for me, it's very good. It's very good. It's better than nothing. It's much better than if it were zero. Okay. So as I do drive and come into you with my lovelies, this will be a very short one. Okay. I won't waste time at all. So until next time, just a quick one to let you know. So go do your taxes and ask for the incentive. Okay. Until next time. Bye. Bye, my love.